Hey folks, today we got some sugar-free lemonade that is going to blow your socks off. If you are a big fan of refreshing, delicious lemonade, but you're not a big fan of all the sugar and problems that it causes to our health, then this is the recipe for you because we are creating delicious, sweet-tasting lemonade without any sugar that you are going to love. Hey folks, Ryan Kennedy here with livingfit.com, your #1 resource for optimizing your health, and we are whipping up some sugar-free lemonade that is one of my all-time favorites. It's refreshing, it's absolutely delicious, and yet there's no sugar. It's a lemonade that you could feel good about drinking and you could feel good about giving to your kids because it actually has a lot of healthy properties. The lemons bring in all types of nutrients like vitamin C and live enzymes and beneficial stuff for our health, and additionally, we're using a low glycemic natural sweetener that doesn't contain any sugar, it won't spike your blood glucose, and it'll keep your energy stable and not lead to any health problems. So we're gonna start by squeezing fresh lemons. These are homegrown lemons, but you always wanna go for organic lemons, and we're gonna go ahead and squeeze these right here into the hand squeezer. Now that we've juiced our lemons, we have 16 ounces of fresh lemon juice. And for me, that was around 7 lemons. It just depends on the size and how juicy they are. But you want 16 ounces of lemon juice and 32 ounces of water. We're gonna pour our water into a large glass carafe, and then we're gonna pour in our lemon juice. Now, as I mentioned before, there's no sugar in this recipe. The sweetener is Stevia. Now, Stevia's got a bad rap because it tastes pretty darn awful in a lot of things. In coffee and baked goods and tea, I think it tastes terrible. I personally don't use Stevia in any of those things. The trick to Stevia is to always pair it with really sour tasting foods. In lemonade or limeade or Greek yogurt, it masks the taste of the herb, that herbal aftertaste that people dislike, perfectly and mimics the taste of pure sugar. So I always use Stevia in lemonade and limeade. Those are two of the only things. Sometimes a little yogurt if it's a very sour yogurt. But in this, it mimics the taste of sugar identically, and it's a perfect way to sweeten up your lemonade. So I'm gonna put in 2 teaspoons. I really like the brand Stevia. They make a very high quality organic Stevia that's grown on Brazilian farms, and they're using a water-based extraction method, which is far superior to the enzyme or chemical-based extraction methods that other companies are using. And a lot of the Stevia too that's really cheap is coming from China, which is just all bad. So I always go for Stevia brand. I put in 2 teaspoons, and then we're gonna put the cap on and we're gonna shake it up. And that's really all there is to it, folks. You got some delicious lemonade. Now this is pretty strong lemonade. I make it this way so I could pour it over ice and have the ice kind of melt and create a really perfect consistency. But depending on your taste preferences, you could add more water, you could add more lemons if you want it more sour. You could even add a touch more Stevia if you like it more sweet. But these ratios I went over make lemonade that I just absolutely love. Thanks for watching this video. Head on over to livingfit.com and check out our other articles and videos so that you can learn more about how to look, feel, and perform at your best.